Hi guys, my name is Johan from restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get a clean cassette like new. Now you see me using specialty tools to actually remove the cassette from the wheel, but if you don't have those tools you don't need them per se, but it does make it very much easier to actually get a really super clean cassette. But since I have these tools, I'm going to use them. They're pretty easy to use. With the chain whip, you hold the cassette in place while the lock ring removal tool and an adjustable wrench make sure you get the lock ring off and you can pull the entire cassette. And then I'm just going to put the entire cassette into a small bowl, not a large one, a small bowl like this one for lettuce or salads or whatever. And just pour like a liter of mineral spirits or turpentine on top of it. Then I use an old brush for scrubbing dishes, and I just clean the cassette. I don't have any other thing to say about it. Clean the cassette, and it's literally clean in minutes. Now what I usually did was I used a rag and put it in between the cassette rings, but that was just a chore and I would never get it as clean as I would want to, and I wouldn't get it as clean as fast as this method. Now you could also use the mineral spirits while the cassette is still on the wheel, but it does make more of a mess. And you can do this step, which is clean the hub itself and put some fresh bearing grease or other grease on it to prevent corrosion. So that's the step I'm doing here. The cassette can only go on the hub in one direction, so it's really easy to get on. And in this case, the cassette came in 3 parts, and I get it back on the exact same way that I pulled it off. So that's it. So if you like this movie, be sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Much appreciated. Make a lot of this movie. Wish you all the best with your own bike maintenance. And I hope to see you on the next video.